Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss class 7th chapter number 3 properties of natural resources. आप पहली बार इस चैनल पे आए हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस बेल आइकन बटन. Question number 7a. How is the light scattered by the air? Answer is point 1. Scattering of the phenomenon of change in the direction of the light rays when they travel through Earth's atmosphere. Second point is air is a mixture of gases, smoke, dust, and very fine particles. Third point is as the ray of the light fall on these particles, their rays are scattered in all directions. Question number 7b. Explain the various property of water. Answer is boiling point of pure water is 100 degrees Celsius at 760 mm of HA pressure. Water is colorless, tasteless, and transparent. It has no smell. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. The state of water is changed on heating or cooling. Water is neither acidic nor basic. Water is neutral. Water is bad conductor of heat and electricity. Water is universal solvent. Question number 7c. Why is the density of seawater more than that of rainwater? Answer is because it contains salt ion. This salt ion makes the seawater heavier than mass of water increases due to the presence of salt ions. Density is equal to mass upon volume. The mass of an object increases, its density also increases. Question number 7d. What is the importance of good soil structure? Answer is the soil structure is important with the respect to the growth of plant and the type of plantation which can occur in the particular area. Good soil structure has root get sufficient supply of oxygen. Question number 7f. What is need and importance of soil testing for the point of view of farmers? Answer is a sample of the soil is taken and tested for its various characteristics. For example, pH and electrical conductivity. It important with respect to agricultural particles as it helps us in determining which crop can be growth in which region. It also gives us knowledge about the deficient nutrient. It also useful in the determining if additional amount of fertilizers are required. Question number 7g. What is the importance of air in the transmission of sound? Answer is air acts as a medium of transmission of sound. When a sound wave passes through air, the particle of air vibrate back and forth parallel to the direction of the sound wave. Thus, when the sound wave travels in the horizontal direction, sound cannot travel without a medium, and thus we cannot listen to sound in the space because the absence of air. Question number 7h. Why should a glass bottle completely filled with water never be kept in a freezer? Answer is because the bottle can be broken and we know the water expands after freezing, and if a complete water filled glass bottle is placed in the freezer, the water would freeze and would expand resulting in the bottle to break. I hope ये वीडियो आपको हेल्पफुल लगा होगा तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियो।